Hi, I'm Abasaheb Kale from RIT 1996 Mechanical Batch. Thank you very much indeed for supporting RIT Alumni Advisory Hub initiatives. I'm sure you are getting our messages from various media platforms. We have started communities like business innovation, business networking, cultural forum, and these initiatives are actually creating great impact. Lots of our alumni and of course students are getting benefited from these initiatives. One of the best initiatives what we have recently launched is webinars, and we are bringing some of the best speakers from the industry as well as from the global domain. We have posted these videos on our YouTube channel, on our Facebook page. I request all of you to please subscribe these channels, as well as please do participate during our weekly meetings, which normally happens on every Saturday at 9:30 p.m. Looking forward to meet you very soon, and I expect you will support this initiative wholeheartedly. Thank you. Take care.
Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi Kulkarni. Yesterday I had attended a session which was arranged by Raha team, and I got an opportunity to represent our company's profile, Digvijay Industries, along with my elder brother, Mr. Saurabh Kulkarni. I truly want to thank Raha team for their amazing support and for providing a platform for young entrepreneurs. In yesterday's session, I also got to know about new businesses and startups which are prevailing in market. Today I had attended a session by Mr. Aditya Kulkarni, and I truly admire his efforts, especially in medical field. We as students were looking forward for such new guidance. Thank you.
Hello, this is Professor Lokesh Padil from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Mechanical Engineering Department. So yesterday I was there in online session by Dr. Aditya Kulkarni, and this was arranged by Raha Association. So it was nice to hear Dr. Aditya Kulkarni. He has shown us two innovative and novel ideas actually. So very few people who do PhDs on useful research, and I think Dr. Aditya is one of them. And India needs this kind of technologies today, where we should not be dependent on other technologies. The cost of the equipment, medical equipment, is so huge, and we need to reduce that. We need to invent our own in a cheaper way, so that common people can use that. So in a near future, definitely as a part of mechanical engineering department of RIT, and you sir will definitely work hand in hand. So thank you Rao for this, giving the best platform I guess in a near future. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, my name is Kanaya Pawar and I am working as Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering RIT. Yesterday, I participated in online webinar organized by RIT Alumni Advisory Hub, that is RAH. The webinar was addressed by Mr. Aditya Kulkarni. Mr. Aditya Kulkarni shared different innovations made by him in the field of medical devices. In addition to this, he also shared different opportunities available for engineers in the field of medical devices. I am really inspired by his work and thankful to Team RAH for organizing such a nice event. Thank you very much.